To winterize your filter, first depressurize the system by closing the upstream and downstream valves. Open the main drainage valve and the command filter drainage valve to release any trapped water. Then verify that the filter is depressurized by using your controller app or an external pressure gauge if exists. Disconnect the supply, drain, and command tubes from the filter's booster cylinder. Open the booster cylinder clamps and remove it. Pull the valve out in order to drain any water trapped inside. Reassemble the booster cylinder. Place the clamps on the piston's groove and tighten the bolts. Connect the command, drain, and supply tubes to the filter's piston. Finally, disconnect the two command tubes from the controller. It is recommended to mark it and leave it disconnected for the duration of the winter. Your filter is now ready for the winter.